Hi, I'm Vinna. If you're new here, welcome to my vegan food channel, Vinna Cooks Best. In this video, I will be showing you how to cook rice and peas in a pressure cooker. Rice and peas is a delicious dish that can be eaten with stews and curries, and it's made with loads of flavours including thyme, escallions, garlic and coconut. Some people use coconut milk, but I prefer it with coconut cream, and that's how I was brought up to make Caribbean styled rice and peas. So keep watching if you would like to know how to make Caribbean styled rice and peas in less than half an hour. Yes, I said in less than half an hour. Keep watching. For the Caribbean style rice and peas recipe, we're going to use basmati rice, kidney beans, scallions, thyme, onion, garlic, or maybe I'll add a few more, creamed coconut and some extra virgin oil. On medium heat, saute the scallions, onions, garlic, thyme and creamed coconut in the oil until translucent. Rinse and add the kidney beans to the pot. Also add 400 milliliters of water to the pot and stir thoroughly. Now cover the pressure cooker and set the timer to 10 minutes on high heat. Safely open the pressure cooker, add in the rice and the salt and stir thoroughly. Now cover the pressure cooker again and set the timer to another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the rice will be tender and the water will be absorbed. Use a spatula or fork to fluff the rice and peas and serve with your favourite dish. To find out what food dishes complement rice and peas, see the description below. To get the full recipe, see the link in the bio below. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of new videos.